Hello and welcome to your challenge. So in this challenge module, you will be building a game that is modeled off the game Simon. So the way that it works is that you can press any key to start and it will show you a tile that you have to click on. And as you go from level to level, the patterns get more and more complicated. And at some point, you're going to screw up and it's going to tell you that you got it wrong and game is over. So you can press any key to restart the game. So this is going to be a challenge, but it's also going to be really, really fun. And it's going to test out your skills and what you've learned in the last module on jQuery, as well as some of the modules that we have tackled previously. So once you're ready, head over to the next set of lessons where you'll find the instructions as well as the starter code for your challenge. So I wish you the best of luck and I'll see you on the other side.